MeghalayaPost.news.
Khynnah school nakaleng ki jela kathan chete lamingi kari India kilapun pau ya kemensim jonga jing sokmen baka jing Muja kabade hadin bakilayo ban Tamasa ka Tamasa kabalai Sngi balatip kum ka 3 days festival nurturing young minds for the 21st century learning skill bala pelong hapo Northeastern Regional Institute of Education NERIE-Ncert umyam. Ya kani ka Tamasa lapun kutno mentaka Sngi hakabala saki hadu lais patam ki Khynnah school naki jela boper jong kathan chete lamingi kari India kilawan ban Tamasa kani ka Tamasa ban yo lum jingtip badru barpun pau ki sap boper bakidon kum kita ki Khynnah jong kani ka Juk Mynta nakaliang ka Professor Phrang Jingstad in charge principal Nerie kalapun pau baka jingtmu bahmat jong kani ka Tamasa kalong ban ailat nam taki kun samla kum karansan kabakila ban peni ya kita kisap haki banta boper badru ban ailat yaki bakin yo thir bar yatai ban penjanai ya ka Phrang Jingstad Katkum kani ka Juk jong ka 21st century hakani ka Tamasa lapan chong doru Katkum kinongrem jong ka National Education Policy NEP arjat arpo
kabiang kabas long kiba nampat ju experience ru experience ni kadeka somersault and I'm wrestling danta bat katuka painting kidan hi.
The overall experience was very nice. Like I enjoyed a lot in this camp or workshop. I came to know across many things, new things. I explored new things and make new friends also. It was quite a very good experience. We enjoyed a lot. Like after the workshop also we made new friends. We used to talk in the park and all. So it was very good.
Overall, it was a very good experience. I've learned a lot of things. I've learned sign language, fine arts, science, maths, and many more things, which I'm sure will help me in the future. And I'm also very happy that I have made many friends, which will be a very memorable experience for me. So overall, it was a very good festival, and I would like Nerie to hold this festival every year.
The favorite one, like Nerie STEM 1 and STEM 2. It was like they explored new things about like science and technology. They said us about the science. They made us came to across new things, like we knew about the physics and all. They made us like solve any puzzles and all. So like I liked this most, and wrestling also.
For me, it was martial arts because as a girl, it's very important to know self-defense, and I think it will help me very much.
Hi, my name is Arpita Ram. I study in class 8 and I am a student of Police Welfare School. So I am here to represent Bambusa Library, Teju, Arunachal Pradesh. First of all, thanks to Dr. Melissa ma'am who gave me this chance to attend this wonderful program. So at first when I came here, I didn't know what's happening and what is going to happen. So after some time, we went to different stalls and we experienced a very unique and different skills. Like we learned many skills, and this experience was really unique. Like we got to learn sign language. Now I can remember all the alphabets in sign language, and it was very nice. And at our place, we don't get this type of opportunities. Like we don't get to attend this type of programs. So I feel really lucky that I got this opportunity. Got to learn martial arts. It was my favorite. I am interested in drama and painting, but in this program, I love martial arts.
Hello, I'm Phrang Jingstad, Principal of the Northeast Regional Institute of Education, Shillong, a constituent unit of the NCERT. When the government of India came up with the slogan for Viksit Bharat, a thought came to me. What is it as the institute that we should do in order to be able to groom children, to nurture children? So from here, I tried to conceptualize on this, and what you can hear in the background, it's the songs which the children, they have written on their own, and I see a lot of creativity, I see a lot of innovation, I see a lot of joy, learning. The title of this program, as you know, is Nurturing Young Minds. So therefore, we have invited 300 schools children, and these children, they come from 4 states In fact, we wanted all the children from all the 8 states to be here, but it was not possible. But anyway, we have a group now of 300 children. And all these children, for the past 3 days, they have been here with us and they have learned many things. And the approach that we use is experiential learning. And based on the feedback that I received from many of the students, this is the change that students want in their learning process. And I hope that whatever they have learned from here, they will be able to go back and they will be able to bring changes also in the learning process. Thank you.
I love the weather and I love the sun. I love the summer and it's so much fun.
MeghalayaPost.news